Meta's now up almost 2% full. Been running perfect all day with no pullbacks. We had one here. So if you collected 50% here, smart and congratulations. Otherwise, let it run, leave it alone. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Wish is making its move, Coach.
Oh, here we go. Hot stock
1
pick
minute.
Wish. Yep, Wish. Yeah, I told you this looks real nice. Giant gap up. Anybody get in on that Wish?
I did, Coach.
Thank you. That's got a huge gap up, partner. Next level of resistance on Wish is going to be around 675. I see the wall, the L2 wall over here forming. Looks like it disappeared. We're good to go. We might have clear skies now up to 685. Here's 675. If you can break 685, you're going to pop that bubble to 685. Watch this area. This is a critical area right now for Wish. Thank you. MGIH, stand by. MGIH is live, 265%. It's bouncing around. Watch the pullback. There's your Wish pullback. MGIH pullback. See if it's going to make new high. MGIH still getting a lot of volume. Pulling it up on the big screen. MGIH new high a day. Hot stock pick. If you're a paid member, you're now up 300% on this stock alone. Congratulations to you. You got this before the bell. Told you right here at this 4, this 397.6, that's going to be a major critical level right there at 4. MGIH at 4. You break 4, you're going to 463, ladies and gentlemen. MGIH. Hot stock pick. Let's see if this can stay up here. Come on, baby. Stay up. It has to stay above 4. 4 is everything. 4 is everything on MGIH. That's got a lot of volume. 12 million volume coming in. There's only 1 million. This is a low floater with only 1 million shares available. MGIH could not hold 4. It's pulling back. It's got to get a big buyer in here to scoop that up, push it to the upside.